Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can source a deal on the deal side. Okay, I'm going to show you live how to do it. So hang on. Hey guys, before we start this video, please make sure to check out my free training that you can see below this video and below every video that I post by clicking on this link right here. It says free online arbitrage training. Just click on this link. This will bring you to this page where I show you exactly how I'm earning thousands of dollars a month by selling physical products online. You just have to click on this link right here or the other link right there, and you can choose the date of the event, and please make sure to check it out. And yeah, let's start with the video. Okay guys, so as I said before, I will show you in this video exactly and live. I haven't done any research, okay, how to find a deal on the deal site. It's very easy. Normally we should find a deal pretty quickly, okay, so let's see if we're lucky. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I got my profit calculator sheet right here. Okay, this is how I calculate the profit up front. Obviously, you got to know that if you want to source a deal and send it into Amazon. And yeah, if you haven't watched my last video on my top 3 deal sites that I recommend, okay, if you want to get started, then make sure to watch that video as well. There should be an info card right now, okay, where you can watch the video. Yeah, for the sake of this video, we are going to use Rank Booster. Rank Booster is a deal site. And yeah, again, what do you need to source a deal? You need that profit calculator sheet. You don't really need it. That's what I use in my business because it makes it easier if you have a lot of deals and yeah, you see the profit potential fairly quickly. And the deal site, and the other thing we need is the FBA calculator. Okay, and I'm going to source deals for Amazon.com right now. So you got to be on the right marketplace. And what you can do here is just type in the ASIN. Then I'll show you exactly how it works. And then you exactly see the FBA fees and the seller fees for the price you want to sell the item for. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Again, I got enough videos on my channel. If you want to learn more about it, make sure to check it out. So let's go ahead and source through those deals. So the first thing I want to do is I want to sort by the United States, and I want to make this quick, this video quick. I want to set the discount to at least 70% so we don't lose any time. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open some deals and see if we can find a profitable deal with at least $5 of profit. Okay, so I like products that have a higher price point after the discount because this gives me the opportunity to make more profit. So, okay, I opened that. Let's view it on Amazon. Um, so let's go ahead. Okay, this product doesn't have any reviews, so probably it's not selling a lot, but still, let's check it out with Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is not reliable today, and yesterday I don't know what happens, but I don't see the numbers. Yeah, I don't see any data for this one, so let's skip that one because we want to make sure basically when we buy a product that it sells fast. Okay, especially for you guys that are starting out, you want to buy a product, ship it into Amazon, and sell it straight away and make your profit. Okay, so okay, let's go ahead, and I just randomly open some deals. Obviously, the discount is right. This is the price that you will pay after the discount. So the higher the price, yeah, in my opinion, the better. Okay. So let's view that on Amazon. And one thing you have to make sure as well is you got to make sure that you can sell this product, okay? That you have the rights, okay? That your Amazon seller account, that you basically are able to sell it because maybe you are restricted for that category. So what you have to do to check this is you go into your seller account and you click on add a product, and then you will see a page where you can enter the ASIN. Just enter the ASIN, click on enter the ASIN. Yeah, click on sell this product, and if you see a button that says request approval to sell this product, then you are restricted for that product. What you can do, if you have a good sales history, if you previously sold on Amazon, then you can still click that button, request approval, and sometimes you have a direct approval for that product. So always click that button and make sure to see if you can sell it or not. If you can't sell it, you will see a notice that says, yeah, you got to provide some proof from the owner of the brand, or invoices and stuff like that. So if this is the case, just skip the product, okay? And yeah, if there is a sell now button, then you are not restricted and you can sell that product. So always make sure that you check that. Very important before you buy a product. So this is discounted. Is there yeah, I think it should be for all sizes. Excuse guys, I'm sorry guys, this is in German for me here, but I just choose a random size and I want to see if it sells. Again, I don't see anything with Jungle Scout, no data available with the Helium app either, so I skip it. Next one, viewed on Amazon, no reviews. Can we see something with the Helium 10 extension? Okay, there's some data available. Every time, so this is a sales rank here, the purple line, and every time it drops, this means there has been a sale. So at least in the last 30 days, you see that there have been sales. Okay, even if it's a fairly new product, there are no reviews, you can still see that it has sold. Okay, but in my opinion, if you want to start out, this is a product that has, yeah, not enough sales, but yeah, let's skip it, okay? Because I want to find a good one for you guys. Let's check this one. Actually, I could open every product, okay? But I don't know. I go after my intuition. Let's view it on Amazon. And once we have verified that the sales are good, then we want to check the fees and everything, okay? And check our profit, okay? As you can see here, last 30 days, there have been some sales. And the sales rank is yeah, it's not that bad, okay? Because yeah, here you see the range. Okay, let's see if we can see something with Jungle Scout. At least this one has some reviews as well. Okay, the reviews are bad, but if the product is selling, doesn't really matter to us. Okay, no data here. You can use the X-ray tool as well from Helium 10, which is free, to see if we can. Okay, it says that it has approximately 12 sales per month. Okay, so yeah, not very good, but not too bad. Okay, if it really does sell 12 times and we have a good profit, then we can still get this. Okay, so let's get the ace in here, put it in here in the FBA calculator. So what price would we like to sell it? This has one seller, so yeah, obviously if we want to sell it, let's always go below this price for 47, because we want to be the first seller to, yeah, get the sale. We want to have the buy box, okay, shipped to Amazon. I gotta say here, so for my profit calculator sheet, what I do, those are the columns. The yellow ones are the columns that I have to fill out manually for every product, okay? Obviously those as well. I haven't marked them right now, but the shipping for me always stays pretty consistent because I'm in Europe. I work with a prep center and I know the price that they take per item, okay? And after my calculation, I pay about 70 cents for the shipping to Amazon. Okay, so basically, I buy this product from the seller, ship it to my prep center, and my prep center ships it to Amazon. And obviously, this shipping is free to the prep center, and then the shipping fee from the prep center is about 70 cents. So that's what they take to yeah, ship your product to Amazon. Okay, so it varies. You have to contact the prep centers and yeah, make the deal with the prep center. Okay, but this is my shipping that I take into account for each item. Okay, so this stays the same. Then I just need the retail price. Okay, the retail price reset is 47. Basically, why we need this site is to fill out the Amazon fees column. Okay, and the net buying price in this case would be this price, so it would be 1440. I'm sorry if I'm being pretty quick here, but I don't want to do this video too long. But the net buying price is the price that we pay on, yeah, by getting the coupon from Rank Booster and entering it at the checkout here. So we get this product for 14.40. Okay, so this is our net buying price. The Amazon fees, we have to calculate them right now. Sorry, guys. So again, shipped to Amazon, I put in 70 cents, and the cost of goods, cost of product is 14.40. So click on calculate. This profit, yeah, is actually the profit that we would make if we sell that product for 47 bucks and we buy it for 14.40 and we really ship it for only 70 cents. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the seller's fees, okay, that we have to pay each time we sell this product, and we have the FBA fees. So open your calculator and add those two numbers. Okay, so it's 367 and 480. So those are our fees. Okay, 856 are the fees for this product. As you can see, the profit is 23.34. You might ask yourself why I have this profit calculator sheet if I can see the profit here. The reason is because, again, I sit in Europe and I have a variation of this sheet normally as well if I sell on the European marketplaces, because there you have to take into account the 19% VAT taxes. Okay, the 19% VAT taxes are not taken into account in the FBA calculator provided by Amazon. Okay, because you could open the FBA calculator for Europe as well. They have one as well, but there you don't have the 19% VAT taxes. So you have to add some columns here with the gross buying price and the gross retail price. And then you have to take that gross price minus the 19% to really, and the profit, you only calculate the profit with your net price, not with the gross price, obviously. Okay, so in this case, the profit is the same as here. So it's 23.34. And that's exactly why I told you guys I want to get products that are a bit on the higher price end, okay? Because this allows you to make more profit per item. As you can see here, it's 23.34. It's not a bad profit for one product that we can sell fairly quickly without any big risk, okay? There's only one seller again. This product sells. We just have to sell the product at a lower price than this guy. And even if we would sell that product, let's say at 42 bucks, we would still make $18 profit, okay? It's an ROI of 127%, which is a lot, okay? So the only thing you have to do now, and you saw how quickly it is, okay? It can be very easy, guys. This is just one deal. You can source hundreds of those deals. If you do this times 100, you make $1,000, okay? So really take this serious. I give you free training already. I have a paid training. Below this video, you can access my free presentation and check it out, where I show you exactly what I do on a daily basis with all the secrets and everything. But this is how easy it is to find some products. Okay, so basically I'm going to stop the sourcing right here because we found a deal already. And again, what you have to make sure is that you're able to sell this product. So go to your Seller Central, click on Add Product, type in that ASIN, and check if you need to request approval or not. If you don't have to request approval, you can sell that product right away. Okay, so then just purchase it, put the FBA labels on that product, send it to Amazon, and watch it being sold and make your profit, cash in. Cha-ching. Okay, that's it. It's very easy. So this was one deal. You have 30 pages left on Rank Booster, and yeah, as you can see, this method is still not incredibly saturated. I don't think it's saturated at all. As you can see, there is only one seller for this product. Okay, so it's definitely possible. Okay, you don't have a big competition with these guys. Okay, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm happy that it was that quick. We're 14 minutes in. If you have any questions, again, as always, leave them below the video. I'll be glad to answer them. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to this channel. This really helps me out and keeps me motivated to make those videos, guys. Okay? So that's it for this video. I see you in the next one. Okay? Bye, guys.